part 2 in my skincare declutter. So yeah, make yourself comfortable, get a little drink, and we'll go through some more bits and pieces. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is part 2 in my skincare declutter. So I wrote it down because my memory is absolutely disgusting. So in this video I am decluttering cleansers, toners, and when I say toners, obviously I mean toners, micellar waters and essences. I've just put them all down as toners. And eye creams. So I don't think this video is as long as the other one. But yeah, let's start with that footage. And before we do, if you have not already, hit that subscribe button. Come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It really helps my channel out. So I think I've worked it out that there's going to be another 2 parts to this declutter after this video, so there's going to be 4 parts in total. Either in the next video or possibly the last video, there's going to be a little giveaway of some of the products that we have decluttered, so make sure to keep your eyes peeled. But enough of that, let's get on with it, guys. So this is my cleanser box. So just a few, but let's get them out of here and then yeah, sort them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Right, so I have 23 facial cleansers altogether. I've just remembered as well, my son has a little shelf in the bathroom, and I've given him about 3 or 4 different cleansers as well, so he can swap and change as much as he pleases with them, but I'm not counting them because I've already given them away to him. But yeah, there's 23 here, so let's get to it. So this one is by Q&A and it's peppermint. Have I? It is open. I think I have used it once. But yeah, peppermint, it's lovely as a facial cleanser. It's so refreshing on the face, so lovely. We have Urban Veda, and this is purifying exfoliating facial polish. I love this. I generally like to take a nice facial polish in the shower with me, and I like to do that in the shower, which is fantastic. We have this. So this is by eCooking and it's cleansing gel. I have not opened this. I haven't used it. But one of the ones I've given my son was one of these, and he says it's nice on the skin. So yeah, I might, dropping it, I might actually give this one away. Let's just make sure. Yeah, I definitely haven't used that one. I'm just making sure it's all clean. So yeah, that's going to go in my giveaway pot. We have this. So this is by Oscar London. It feels very light, so I think I have used it. Oh god, that smells gorgeous. So yeah, keep that. Lord and Berry, yeah. We'll keep that one and see how that one is. This is Star Skin. Yes, it's definitely been opened. This, it feels really thick and luxurious on the skin. It's absolutely gorgeous. So we have Elemis. We have 2 of both of them open. Oh, we have a sealed one. And we have another sealed one. So let's be nice and do some sharing. I'll keep one and I'll put one in my giveaway box. Next we have Symbiosis London. That is sealed too. I think this one's an expensive one, so I'm going to be greedy and keep that for myself. Sorry guys. We have this one. It's by Origins. I don't think this was ever sealed, but I haven't used it. You can tell that I haven't used it. I'm going to pop this one in my other pot where I'm going to donate to a shelter, I think. Right, we have something by Ren. This is gorgeous. Oh god, it smells so good. Yeah, keep it in because it smells so good. We have a Balance Me, and it's pre and probiotic cleansing milk. I love this. It's so nice. We've got the Organic Pharmacy Rose Facial Cleansing Gel. It's open. Oh, that's very strong of rose. Very strong. I think I'm going to give this to a shoulder as well. Let's pop that to the side there. This, oh, it's very, very light indeed. This is Ciba Med Clear Face. So this is a foam when you pop it out. So I've used this quite a lot. I probably only have one more use in that, you know. I think I'm going to pop that in my bathroom and get that one use done, and it can go in my empties. So great. We have this. It's by Cetaphil. I literally got this, it was either beginning of the month or last month. I don't know if I've used that. I've used this before, but not this pot. As you can tell, it's all new and sealed, but I'm going to keep that in there. I might actually give that to my son at a later date, to be honest, because he likes using that. Oh, we have another Balance Me, and it's the same as this one. Oh, okay. Right, so that one's definitely been used. It's minging. That one is actually clean. Right, I'm going to keep this one because this one has been used. This one hasn't. I've just looked at the top there. I am going to put this one in a giveaway. Next we have this. It's by Kate Somerville, and it's Goat Milk Moisturiser. It is still sealed. I am going to keep that one, I think. Right, we have a few by Emma Hardy. So what are all of these? Morning Moringa Cleansing Balm. Moringa Cleansing Balm. Right, so these two are the same. Oh good, that's sealed. And that's open. So I'll keep the open one and I will pop that in a giveaway box. Right, this one by Emma Hardy, is this one open? It is sealed. We'll keep that one. This one, it's by Noom Glow Up, Good Vibes. I don't think I've used it yet, or have I? I might have. Oh god, that smells lovely. Yeah, keep that. This is by SLMD Sandra Lee. Oh, it's the pimple popper one, isn't it? Yeah. Salicylic acid facial cleanser. I have opened it, I have used it. It's actually really, really nice, so I'll keep that. This one, was this by Stelvana? Not by Stelvana, but did I get gifted by Stelvana? I don't know. Oh, it's sealed. It is sealed. I think we'll keep that one for now, I think. Yeah, no, yeah. Right, so how many have I got now? 1 more use and that's gone, so that's 17. These are the two I'm giving to the shelter, so 17, 18, 19, and then 21, 22, 23, 24. Did I have 24? I lost count now. But yeah, I'm putting 4 in a giveaway. I'm giving 2 away to a shelter. I've got 1 more use in that, and that's what I'm keeping. So there we go. Right, so here are my micellar waters, my essences, my toners. Look at them like this. It actually doesn't look that many, thank goodness. But I don't have these in a box. I have these sitting on top of my vanity. And I have them in a particular order where I know what I'm using, and when I'm using it makes no sense, but it does to me. But yeah, let's have a little look through them. Right, so we have this one. I just love this because it looks so bougie and it's glass. This is from Stelvana. This one was gifted. I'll be able to tell you some of the stuff I was gifted, some of them I can't remember. So any of the things that I've gone through this video, some of it may be gifted and I haven't stayed, basically because I can't remember. But I do know this one was gifted. So this one is an hydrating essence. I haven't had a chance to, it's all dusty, haven't had a chance to actually use it yet. But I certainly will. And while I've still got it, it's going to look lovely on my vanity. Next is another one from Stelvana, gifted, and this is Ginseng Essence Water. Again, have I used this? I might have used it once, and it was actually really lovely on the skin, actually. I'm remembering now. Yeah, I have. Very, very nice. We have this. It's by Mono Skin, and it's micellar water. I quite like this. It's really nice, and it's different to normal micellar waters because it's in a spray, which is just different, and it's a very large size as well. Next we have this. I literally just got this the other day, and my latest in beauty box that I pay for, and it's by the brand Peas, and it's Micellar Solution Makeup Remover. So very nice, definitely keeping. It's brand new. One I got in exactly the same box, my latest in beauty box the other day, was this Rodial Dragon's Blood Cleansing Water, keeping. I have these by Pixie. These are glow tonics. This one is sealed, and then I am about halfway through this one. I am keeping these. I love these. This is my backup one. Again, with these I have two of these. So these are exactly the same. They're by the brand Vegan, and it's Essence Toner. These are like £35 each. I got them in different beauty boxes over the last few months. And yeah, I have to keep these guys because I'm greedy and I need them for myself. This is by Q&A, and it is a daily toner. This has got about quarter left in it. Look, it's all dusty and horrible. But yeah, a quarter left in it. I shouldn't have that for too long. We have this. This is by Stalvana as well. They gifted me this, I should say. And yeah, I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I am excited to. We've got this one by Elemis. I got this the other day in one of the beauty boxes that I open, and I've used about half of it. This is gorgeous, gorgeous. It's Elemis. What were you expecting? We have this. I think I got this last month in my latest beauty box, and again, it's a micellar water by Marcel. But yeah, I love these. I absolutely love them. This is by Terry Vardy, and it's a balancing mist. It's lovely on the skin. Just spray it on for a bit of a refresh. It's lovely. This one is by Clinique Soothe, and it's Skin Purifier. It's a spray that you spray on. I've used it once or twice. It's all right. I'll have to use it on a regular basis to see if it helps with prevention of breakouts and stuff. But yeah, sorry guys, I am not getting rid of any of these. So I have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, and it's staying 15. Love them. Right, now we have eye creams, or basically anything to do with eyes is in here. So yeah, let's get it out and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, wow, 24. I am currently using one of these at the moment, so it's basically 25, but it's over on my vanity because I'm using it. So we'll just say 24. So let's make it easy. Let's start with this one. So like I say, I am already using one at the moment. I've got 3 of them all together, so I'm using one. I'll keep one and I'll put one in my giveaway. Next we have this by Freya and Bailey. This is quite new, so I'm going to keep. This is awesome. I got this by Stalvana in the gifted haul that they gave me. It's amazing, absolutely amazing. You've got these bits here that you just massage under the eye while slightly pressing to make the serum come out, and it's so relaxing on the eye, and it's so good. Right, we have this, which is Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Keep. I don't even think I've used that one yet, so Charlotte Tilbury one, keep in. We have an Advant one, keep in. Oh, I don't know if there's anything here that I'm going to get rid of, you know, guys. What's that? Another Advant one. Are they both the same? No, they are different, so I have to keep them. I can't even pronounce that. But yeah, looks good. Just checking. Have I got... I think they are all different, aren't they? Yeah. Right, this one. Algology, keep. This one, I've used it and I don't find it great, to be honest. Oh, there we go, just spilling some there. Yeah, I don't find that one too good, so I'm going to get rid of this one. Next we have this eye contour cream, keep. AHC Essentials Real Eye Cream for the face, yeah, keep. Esper, it's Esper, don't even have to look. Origins, yep, keep. Esper again. Is that both the same? Oh, they are both the same. Let's just... Right, so the question is, have I used any of them? I think I have used both of them, you know. Oh, that's a shame. Oh, that is a shame. I could have given one of them away if I hadn't used it, but never mind. I'll keep both of them because Zespa. SVR. Keep Bright Eyed Illuminating Eye Cream by Bybee. Yeah, it's brand spanking new. So keep, literally just got that the other day. Keep Dermalogica. Yeah, keep. I think that's not old either. No, it's not. Symbiosis is expensive. This is Dr. Botanicals, and it's a serum for the eye. I've used it a few times. It's okay. I'll have to use it a few more times to see if I like it. And we have another Symbiosis I have to keep because that's expensive. Right guys, so this is what I'm keeping, 22. I am binning one. Although I didn't find it this good, I could actually give that away to the shelter as well. Yeah, instead of binning, I'll give it to the shelter because it's still, the date's still okay on it. Yeah, that's what I'll do. And then this is the one I'm putting in a giveaway. So I'm -2, which is not great, but at least it's minus something. So that was part 2. I hope that these declutter videos are okay. I know I'm not very good at it. Mainly because in the past I have practiced what do you call it, self-neglect. And it's only since starting this YouTube channel where I've actually been able to build up my products to where I've got them now, and I am finding it a little bit hard letting go of them. So I'm hoping when it comes to next year's declutter, I'm going to get better as it goes along. But yeah, like I say, there's going to be another couple of parts to this declutter series. There's going to be a giveaway, so keep your eyes peeled. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.